Good afternoon. Welcome to the Appellate Division First Department admission ceremony for today, Monday, January 9, 2023. Ms. Guerrero, you may proceed.
Thank you, and may it please the court, good morning. I'm Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness. I'm honored this morning to present to the court 39 applicants for admission to the bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each applicant appearing here today. Accordingly, on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant appearing here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York. Therefore, I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you, Ms. Guerrero. So in anticipation of this very, very important motion, the members of the panel, we met earlier today and we considered the application, and we have decided to grant the application, grant the motion. So Ms. Guerrero, again, I want to thank you. I want to thank the committee. I want to thank the attorneys who work pro bono for their diligent work in the application process, the interview process, etc. So we thank you all very, very much. The clerk of the court, Ms. Susana Rojas, will administer the oath to the applicants.
Good afternoon, Justice Weber. Good afternoon, candidates. I will administer the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to to unmute your microphones and respond by saying, I do, if you agree with the oath. At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of Attorney and Counselor at Law to the best of your ability? Please unmute your mics and respond by saying, I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your right hand and please mute your microphones. Thank you.
Thank you. On behalf of my fellow justices and myself, I want to congratulate all of you, all of the recent, attorneys. So congratulations. It is the tradition of the court that one of the justices give remarks at a time of this importance. And today that honor falls to my esteemed colleague, the Honorable Justice Jeffrey Owen.
Good afternoon, attorneys. Welcome. Unfortunately, it's not in our grand courtroom, but I still want to welcome all of you to this virtual courtroom. If you paid careful attention to the call, and thank you, Justice Weber, for that was kind introduction. If you paid careful attention at the call, you were referred as candidates. At the end of the oath, you were referred as attorneys. I'm trying to remember 33 years ago, that was also given to me, and it was a pretty moving moment at that time, and I gather it's just as moving today as it was for me 33 years ago. This occasion is an incredibly momentous day for you and your families. Congratulations to you and your family. Getting admitted to the bar will be an incredible accomplishment under normal circumstances, but we're not under normal circumstances, and that you have done a lot to get here, and you should all congratulate yourselves. So let's give the newly admitted attorneys a round of applause. I think that's worth it. Give yourselves a nice applause there. Your admission is very special. every generation of new attorneys has a defining moment. Your defining moment is like no other and is unmatched in terms of challenges you will face. You're probably anxious, worried, and concerned. Just know that you are equipped to handle this crisis and so much more. You got through law school and the bar exam, obstacles that only a person with a strong conviction and incredible determination can overcome. Take today to enjoy the moment. As an attorney, you will encounter and overcome other obstacles. Celebrate those accomplishments. That said, you, like no other generation before you, are entering a noble profession at a time when so many need your help. Each of you has a unique skill and talent which give you the ability to use the power of the law. You must strive to ensure that the law is not used to diminish the rights of those who are less fortunate. Remember, as lawyers, you are the voice and face of the voiceless and faceless. Volunteer your time, your knowledge, and your skills to those in need. Indeed, I hope that you can tap into a cause or an issue that you hold dear to your heart and channel that feeling into pro bono work that is important and meaningful to you. Tapping into that energy will allow you to understand the meaning and value of justice and realize the importance of your pro bono work. Of course, doing so requires you to go out on a limb. That is an terribly tough ask, but you can do it. Remember, success is the reward for those who are not afraid to fail. And to that end, know that failure is the best teacher we have. Your successes should not be easy. If anything, you won't take your accomplishments for granted. Having said that, I think to be fair to you, I should give you a piece of advice to help you navigate that long and winding legal road. You have the talent for legal research. Your presence here today is proof of that. To hone and perfect that talent, you need to have the courage to learn. I still have it. Listen and listen intently. We all have the natural tendency to speak and respond. Resist that urge. You will learn a great deal. This journey that you're about to embark on is a continuing legal education unto itself. This moment marks the beginning for you in your legal career, and nothing is out of your reach. Your future and accomplishments are limited only by your imagination and energy. I am confident that each of you will do your best to see that your goals are realized. Remember, you can make a difference and you will make a difference. This is your defining moment. You will make us all proud. Good luck, and here's your first judicial directive. Go out and celebrate this momentous and happy day. Congratulations again.
Thank you. Thank you, Justice Wong. And again, congratulations to all of the newly admitted attorneys.
Thank you to the bench and to Ms. Rojas. They will log off and I will stay on with the newly admitted attorneys.